How did I become vegan? Because of Miss Katie.
I watched Miss Katie for so long. Watched her get ridiculed, but somehow she still stayed strong. Saw her on her live stream. Saw her defend the innocent against those who were mean. At first I thought it was weird not eating animals because I was always taught to. But she opened my heart and mind to help me think of something new. She taught me right from wrong, she taught me I belong. She taught me God was deep inside of me. She taught me to have compassion and to show it through daily vegan action. She taught me God was in my hands. She taught me God was in my hands. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. We're so proud of you for pushing your fears away. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. We're so proud of you for pushing your fears away. You left the cult of mindless thought. You showed the world your soul cannot be bought. You left the cult of mindless thought. You showed the world your soul cannot be bought.
Veganism is a moral baseline. Miss Katie said it, and it finally opened up my mind. She told me to watch the documentaries. I resisted, but then one day I faced my inside enemies. Those enemies were my own fears, and now I'm in charge of drying the animals' tears. For we are their keepers, we are their shelters, we are their guardians. We are in charge of creating 1 trillion heavens. Regardless of religion, regardless of color, regardless of size or age, we are together in this. Hand in hand, we can change this fate. We can save our planet. We can end this suffering. There's no need to wait. And no, it's not too late. Put down your fists, your knives, your bombs, and your guns. We are all the universe's children, daughters and sons.
Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Happy